These are the 5 cinematic motorcycle shots na pwede mong gawin gamit ang iyong Insta360 X5. Pag-usapan to, napansin namin marami pa rin sa inyo hindi nakasubscribe at follow sa mga channels and pages ng Motor ni Juan. Malaking tulong ang inyong mga like, comment at share para siguraduhin mas updated kayo at mas marami pang makapanood ng mga video updates katulad nito. Para sa mga nakafollow sa channel natin at sa pages natin, alam nyo na since time immemorial, I've been an Insta360 user. Yung pinakaunang 360 camera, yung 1R, meron na tayo doon hanggang nagkaroon ng mga iba't ibang mga developments, and fortunately, we have been partners with Insta360 for how many years now, kaya meron tayo ng mga camera na yun. So itong Insta360 X5 na kinuha ko naman ngayon, this has better chip, better sensors for better video quality, pero pag-uusapan natin ngayon pagdating sa pagmumotor, and if you wanna get that really cinematic motorcycle shots to document your ride, whether you're vlogging or for your personal use, ano nga ba yung 5 paborito kong shots and angles and accessories na ginagamit ko to produce that perfect shot to document your perfect ride. The first shot, and I would say the most common shot, is having your X5 attached to your handlebar. Kasi itong bundle na kinuha natin is meron ng clamp for us to be able to attach yung X5 natin. So all we have to do is obviously secure yung clamp dito sa handlebar and then secure yung X5 dito sa pinaka-mount niya. Hindi na natin kailangang iikot-ikot yung camera na ganun because yung knob na lang niya dito ang kailangan nating i-adjust to make sure na secured na yung camera. Mas convenient, mas sigurado, tsaka mas matatansya mo yung angulo ng camera. Diba mga brother? So for this shot mga brother, ito yung kumbaga basic shot. All you need is really your X5 at saka yung clamp niya. And from this shot, medyo flexible ka in terms of what you want to show. Pwede mong i-flex yung riding jersey mo, pwede mong i-flex yung helmet mo, pwede mong i-flex kung gaano ka chill o kaya ka hataw o kaya ka intense yung ride mo by showing yourself kasi ikaw mismo yung nakita. And then you can also shift it smoothly dahil nga 360 to with really very good quality camera kung ano naman yung environment na dinadaanan mo. Maybe you're going through traffic, medyo sumisingit-singit ka, you're going through, or you are overtaking, humahataw ka, you can switch between those modes and those angles to bring your audience na para bang kasama mo sila sa biyahe. So having that flexibility enables you, as the creator, indulge your audience kung nasaan ka. Porma mo, yung mood mo, yung aura mo while riding, and then immerse them sa environment kung saan ka nag-ride. The second cinematic shot is we can remove the camera and then use the selfie stick, the invisible selfie stick ng Insta360 X5. This is already included in the bundle that I got. And ang maganda nito, yung mga ibang Insta360 selfie stick ko kasi, you have to twist it para ma-adjust. Ito, very firm na siya, but all you have to do is pull it. So napaka-flexible at saka convenient gamitin. So all we have to do is just attach the selfie stick dito sa ating clamp. And then, ito naman yung i-attach natin sa ating selfie stick. Normally, what I do is I change the angle of this shot from standing position to a horizontal one. Yan, ganyan siya. So what it does is it creates a perspective of someone shooting you from the front na medyo kasama yung side mirrors, handlebars, yourself, and a little bit part of your headlight. Pansinin natin na hindi natin masyado min-maximize yung length ng selfie stick natin for just better stability at saka hindi siya basta-basta gagagag. So when we have this angle of a shot, it's similar to the style number 1 natin, but this one gives a more wider, broader perspective. Kasi pag ganito, mas nakita yung environment imbis na yung camera nakafocus sa rider. When you see the trees, yung mga nilalagpasan nating mga sasakyan, yung mga nilalagpasan nating mga puno, and when you switch it over to the front view, mas kita yung kalsada, mas kita yung kung paano tayo mag-overtake, yung shifting natin, yung pag-corner natin, that gives you a better cinematic shot that not just focuses on the rider, but also focuses on the environment and the rider as one part of your cinematography. O, di ba? Cinematography na yung pinag-uusapan natin. You would also have that option to extend the selfie stick. Haba, no? That's about over a meter for the selfie stick. Similar angle, similar shot, but this now gives us a way wider perspective. Nakitang-kita na yung motor from the front view. Especially kung mga ganito kapopogi yung mga motor natin, you can see the headlight, the handlebar, and when you're actually riding this, it's like meron kang cameraman na nakaposition all those time na nag-ride ka sa harap mo. Kasi kitang-kita yung buong environment mo. At the same time, kitang-kita yung front facade ng motorcycle natin. And at the same time, when you switch it over to your front view, mas ahead na yung nakikita na view for your Insta360. Just be careful, depending on your speed and your terrain, na etong clamp may have a tendency to go down. Medyo depende yan kung gaano nyo kahigpit, kinabit yung clamp, o kaya naman yung attachment mismo. So, for me to be safe, especially for higher speeds, at ganito yung gusto kong angulo, I just go for the shorter one. Pero kung mga tipong back roads and yung mga medyo adventure ng konti, I would like to involve my environment a little bit, kaya medyo hinahabaan ko siya ng ganyan para mas immersed yung audience ko in terms of what I want to see, the environment that I am. Tas kasama yung motor at kasama ako bilang rider. The third shot is yung side angle shot na tinatawag ko. So depending on your motorcycle, for now I have a naked bike. So meron akong mga frames na nakagitaw dito. I can simply attach my clamp over here. Depende kung medyo harap or likod yung gusto mong pagkabitan. Depending on the angle that you want to get. Just secure the clamp with your selfie stick. And similar to the shot number 2, depende na lang sa'yo kung gaano kahaba yung gusto mong angulo. But for me, hindi ko naman masyado sinasagad para lang, again, secure yung placement ng selfie stick ko. So, ganyan siya. What this now does is that para lang meron kang kasabay na rider na vini-video ka. That is the effect. And then, with this shot, you can feature the side of your motorcycle, yung pinaka-shape ng motorcycle mo. And if you go wider, then obviously, mas makakasama si rider. You will get a little bit of the environment kung saan binabiyahe mo yung motor mo. And then, depending on the 360 shot that you want to project, instead of having the whole motorcycle, pwede mong i-shift yung angle into just having the rider and then featuring kung ano naman yung nakasunod niya. May it be sky or just the terrain, kung ano yung pinanggalingang kalsada. Or you can shift it towards the front. Half pa rin yan. You have the rider and at the same time, you are getting a video, a footage of what's in front, what's coming. Another thing that this shot actually created dahil dinala ko yung aking scrambler bike sa medyo off-road ng konti. So, there are fields, may mga bato-bato, may mga damo na nadadaanan niya, thereby creating more cinematic shots, more immersing shots when it comes to your bike, to the environment. Kasi mas malapit siya sa lupa, so yung nadadaanan niya, mas kitang-kita talaga with this angle. So again, you can adjust it according to your preference, pero ako, tamang mid lang para I get that better stability, but at the same time, I get this cinematic shot na featuring the side of the motorcycle with more dramatic shots pagdating dito sa terrain mo. So the fourth shot that I like to do when it comes to using my X5 is really focusing on the action of your rear wheel. And I use that gamit itong clamp that's already included in the package. And then hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng mga iba't ibang selfie stick. So just attach my X5 dito and then secure it. At this point, medyo kakabaka-baka because ano siya malapit sa gulong mo, di ba? So that's when the X5 cage can be handy. I mean, whatever happens, at least merong protection yung camera natin. And you also have the option to install or attach the lens cover as protection. Ano man ang mangyari dun sa camera natin. But using the Insta360 clamp, very secure naman yan so long as tama yung angle that you're using. And just in case, kasi meron ng pagkakataon before using my X3, we were filming a motorcycle review and then unfortunately, bumigay yung clamp ko nun. Ano lang yan, generic na clamp ko, bumigay. So ang nangyari, sumadsad yung camera and yung lens ko. So nagkaroon talaga ng malaking gasgas and then may tama yung lens ko. So now with the X5, one thing that I like about the X5 is if in case ma-damage yung lens mo, you can easily replace the lens only Take note lens only. Ito can easily be detached and then just buy a lens instead of buying a whole camera. Napakalaking tulong, especially for 360 cameras, and given what we've gone through, pinagdaanan namin na nagaglagan kami, nagasgasan kami ng X3, knowing that the X5 has that capability na lens na lang papalitan, napakalaking bagay. So going back to our shot, this shot actually gives us a more dramatic shot when it comes sa spin ng rear wheel natin and everything that goes along with it, kasama na yung andar ng kadena, the reaction of or the gearing, yung pag-change ng gear pagdating dito sa paa mo, you can switch those angles. This is perfect for motorcycle reviews if you are featuring the suspension kasi makikita mo yung bounce dito. If you're also featuring the performance of the tires, makikita mo yan. And as well, you just want to have that shot wherein nakikita mo yung mechanism ng motor tapos you can shift it towards the front, makikita mo yung pinagdadaan ng terrain, and at the same time kung ano yung nangyayari sa buong rear part ng motor. So for me, this is an underrated shot that not a lot of videographers, of content creators use, pero magandang dramatic shot to, especially if you will be cornering a little bit, you will speed up a little bit, nakikita mo yung action dito being captured by the X5. Next shot naman natin is the favorite, actually hindi lang sa akin, kumbaga ng maraming mga Insta360 users, is really the Grand Theft Auto shot, yung GTA shot na tinatawag natin. So what we use for this shot is yung standard clamp natin, clamped to the pillion step, o yung tapakan ng angkasa natin. And then we have a support clamp being used naman dito, naka-clamp naman siya dito sa grab bar natin. This actually is an underrated accessory. Pero ito kasi yung shot na dati ko pang gustong gawin pero wala ako nitong support clamp na tinatawag natin. So, ang tendency, if I try to do this with physics, di ba, basic physics and gravity, nagagagag talaga yung selfie stick ko. But with this one, sobrang stable, it's very sturdy to the point na kahit high speed ka, wala kang iintindihin na bababa yung selfie stick mo. Kasi firmly attached yung basic clamp natin dito and then firmly attached as well yung support clamp natin dito. So all we have to do is just attach our Insta360 sa ating invisible selfie stick, just like that, and you're all set. Siyempre, for us to capture a wider view, which will give us a perspective kung gaano kabilis, kumusta ang environment, how aggressive, how chill the ride is, eto siya. So when I'm using this angle, this gives us now a better perspective of the overall environment kung saan nandoon yung motor at kung saan nandoon naman yung rider. It's like the audience is being immersed in a parang video game style, parang Grand Theft Auto for those of you who have played and is also familiar with GTA. Ganun yung view niya. So, you will have a lot of fun with this, especially when you're speeding up. When you're also cornering, makita mo yung angulo ng katawan mo. If you're going through beautiful terrains, may mga nature terrains and all, you get to capture that everything dito sa angulo na to. And, again, with the sturdy setup ng camera, hindi ka na mag-aalala that it will fall down, it will crash, or anything like that. Kasi before using the support clamp, ang DIY solution dyan is have the invisible selfie stick zip-tied sa grab bar. Pangit naman. And it also reduces the flexibility. Ito kasing support clamp natin, pwede mo pa rin itong i-adjust. But at the same time, napakatibay. It's not gonna move. I actually tried to use this setup sa medyo mas high speed na pagra-ride ko. All good talaga when it comes to this. Mas dramatic yung shot, mas immersed into the action yung audience mo if you use this type of angle on your X5. With all the accessories that you can get for the Insta360 X5 or any other camera for that matter, you will have that mentality na your camera is secured. You can play around with the angles at any point, at any time. Depende na lang talaga sa accessory na gamit mo. And then, alam naman natin that Insta360 has their own app. It's a very intuitive AI app that gives you more angles, more effects, to give your shot a more dramatic, more cinematic, perfect shot before you upload it on your social media para mas maging effective. And the Insta360 X5 now has better power when it comes to its battery. Over 200 minutes, pwede mong gamitin to. And then fast charging na rin because you can full charge it in just 35 minutes. Imagine that, you know. If ever nasa long ride ka, saksak mo lang for 35 minutes and then you know, all good to go na naman in terms of getting your perfect shot using your Insta360 X5. So take note mga brother na lahat ng ginamit natin na accessories to take all the cinematic shots is already included sa X5 motorcycle bundle. Ito pa yan, may regalo pa kami sa'yo. Dahil starting March 12 up until April 7, you can enjoy 10% off if you purchase the Insta360 X5. Just check out the link sa comment section at saka sa description para ma-take advantage mo na yung napakagandang deal na yan. And that's our video feature for today mga brother. Again, my 5 favorite motorcycle cinematic shots using the Insta360 X5. If you want to get one, if you are interested, merong link sa comment and sa description so you can get your own for the best deals out there, including the accessories katulad nitong in-avail ko na package with the X5 and with all the accessories that I need for me to be able to document and really create beautiful memories with my motorcycle using my X5. Para hindi ka magpahuli sa lahat ng mga motorcycle use reviews and tips, be sure to follow lahat ng mga social media page natin katulad ng TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Maybe next video mga brother. Salut!